guess what? We are back. Vision of Ryan and Taste the Blessings presents the Garden to Table series. Woo! Yes! We're back, y'all. We heard you loud and clear. If it's your first time watching this video, Vision of Ryan grows it in his garden. Taste the Blessings, I cook it in the kitchen. So he picks an item from his garden and I cook and create. It's the collab you didn't know you needed. First up is the Gumbo collard greens over some cheesy grits. Yeah, you heard me correctly. Stay tuned, stay locked in, y'all. See you in a minute. All right, y'all, time for the prep. It's gonna take a little bit of work, but it's gonna pay off in the end. First, let's slice and dice down 4 bell peppers, 2 sweet onions, and then 3 celery stalks. Next, let's slice the smoked sausage. Then we're gonna clean, peel, and devein the shrimp. Grab our clean collard greens, slice out the stems. We're gonna roll them and slice them down in smaller pieces so they can cook evenly, just like this. Prep time is over, time to build the flavor. Grab your Dutch oven, set the medium, toss in your smoked sausage, saute for about 5 to 6 minutes. Do the same thing with the smoked turkey, then remove. We're gonna add in a half a cup of oil and flour. We're gonna mix that together for about 30 minutes. Starting the grits, follow the directions on the box. I did add in some chicken stock for some flavor. Let's toss back in those chopped up veggies. We're gonna saute and cook those down. Fresh garlic, some chicken stock. Add back in that smoked sausage. When it comes to seasoning your food and building flavor, you can put what you want in your own food. Everything I used in this recipe is on the screen, and off camera I did put in a little bit of sugar and honey to balance out the flavor. And remember, guys, taste as you go. Add in your smoked turkey and your collard greens. Put the lid on it, let it cook for about 20 minutes. Last 10 minutes, you want to add the shrimp. Let's finish up these grits. You can make them how you want them. If you put sugar in your grits, I will talk about you in the comments. Add in heavy cream, butter, non-sugar seasoning. This will take your food to the next level. And don't forget the cheese, guys. You want it to come out nice and creamy, just like this. When you take that lid off one more time, this should be smelling and looking delicious, guys. Only thing left to do is grab that bowl, put those grits down, put this right on top, and now let's try it out. This is the Gumbo collard greens over cheesy grits. Time for the taste test.
So corny. I gotta get everything.
Yeah, right. Get the shrimp, get the smoked sausage, collard greens with the grits. Ooh, that's a good bite.
Yeah, my bite's gonna be smaller than that.
Hey, blow it off. It's hot. It's hot. Wow.
Oh wow.
That came together really good.
That's good.
With the cheesy grits though, that's a good roux.
This is good. Y'all, yeah.
You gotta try this.
If you're jealous, yeah, make it yourself. This is good.
That's a lot of flavor. All right, y'all. We out.